How does spaCy perform named entity recognition tasks? Have you ever wondered how computers can identify names, places, and dates in a sea of text? Named entity recognition is the magic behind this, and spaCy is a powerful tool that makes it happen. Let's break down how spaCy performs these tasks in a way that's easy to understand. First off, spaCy uses pre-trained statistical models to analyze text. These models are designed to recognize and classify named entities, which are real-world objects like people, organizations, locations, dates, and monetary values. To train these models, spaCy relies on large datasets that have been annotated, meaning they contain examples of what different entities look like. The process starts with something called tokenization. This is where the text is split into individual words or tokens. Once that's done, spaCy's named entity recognition model looks at the context around these tokens. It tries to find sequences of words that representing entities and assigns labels to them. For example, it might label a person's name as person, a company as organization, or a city as geopolitical entity. You can access the recognized entities through the document's properties. Each entity comes with its text, start and end positions, and the label that spaCy assigned. This makes it easy to see exactly what the model identified. Now, the accuracy of spaCy's models can vary. They perform best on common entity types like people and locations. However, when it comes to organizations or less common categories, the accuracy might drop a bit. To improve this, spaCy has introduced transformer-based models that use deep learning techniques. These models, like those based on bidirectional encoder representations from transformers, have shown to significantly boost accuracy by better understanding the context of words. From the perspective of artificial intelligence and machine learning, spaCy's named entity recognition is a great example of supervised learning. This means the model learns from labeled examples and can then recognize entities in new texts. This ability opens the door to many practical applications. For instance, it can help with information extraction, automate content tagging, and even improve chatbots or virtual assistants by allowing them to understand real-world references. However, there are ethical considerations to keep in mind. The training data used for these models can contain biases, which might affect how fairly and accurately entities are recognized. It's important to evaluate and adjust the models to ensure they work well across different contexts and populations. In summary, spaCy performs named entity recognition by using trained statistical and transformer models to identify and classify entities in text. This capability supports various applications in artificial intelligence and machine learning, making it a useful tool for understanding language.